Today, we're taking a clear and simple look at the Hyundai CRATER Concept, a brand new off-road adventure SUV revealed at AutoMobility LA 2025. This concept shows how Hyundai wants to shape the future of its rugged XRT lineup. Section 1. What the CRATER is. The Hyundai CRATER is a compact off-road SUV designed in California. It is inspired by extreme environments, exploration, and outdoor freedom. It's not a production model yet, it's a design exploration, showing what future XRT vehicles may look like. Section 2. Exterior Design. The CRATER uses Hyundai's new Art of Steel design language. This gives the SUV bold, sculpted surfaces that look strong and futuristic. Key exterior features include a rugged silhouette with steep approach and departure angles, 18-inch hexagonal wheels with large 33-inch off-road tires, a wide skid plate underneath for protection, a roof platform for lights and extra gear, limb risers, the cables from the hood to the roof for clearing branches, sheer fenders giving the SUV a planted, powerful stance, parametric pixel lights with a layered 3D effect, roof-mounted off-road lights for night trails. There are also fun details like a recovery hook that works as a bottle opener, side camera mirrors that detach and become flashlights. Section 3. Interior Design. Inside, the CRATER is built for adventure, durability, and flexibility. Highlights include a bring-your-own-device system where you use your own phone or tablet instead of a fixed big touchscreen, a full-width head-up display that shows navigation and the rear camera view, a crash pad dashboard shaped like bent metal with soft ambient lighting under perforations, a visible roll cage with built-in grab handles, wraparound seats with strong bolsters and a 4-point harness, a squared-off steering wheel with a center pixel display and quick terrain mode buttons, practical items like a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, and a removable Bluetooth speaker. There are also creative touches like hidden lighting and a mascot called Craterman inside the cabin. Section 4. Off-road features. The CRATER includes several off-road controls, a gear-style multi-function controller, front and rear locking differentials, traction and brake management, terrain modes for snow, sand, mud, auto, and XRT, downhill brake control, trailer brake control, a built-in compass and altimeter. Section 5. Colors and materials. The exterior comes in a special dune gold matte color inspired by California's deserts and coastline. The interior uses a black ember theme designed to handle sand, dirt, and rugged outdoor use. Materials include black leather, Alcantara, brushed metal, and topographic patterns. Bright orange accents connect the cabin to outdoor elements like sunsets and campfires. Section 6. Important note. Hyundai has not yet shared powertrain details. We don't know the battery size, range, engine type, or specs. The CRATER is strictly a concept, hinting at what Hyundai may build in the future. Outro. This is the Hyundai CRATER Concept, a bold look at the future of Hyundai's XRT off-road design. Let me know what you think. Should Hyundai turn this concept into a real production SUV?